So here is the remaining mess that is done. Now, I didn't connect it all the way to the French drain up there, but it seems like that might be enough, because man, the water, when I busted that up, the water was just, whoo baby, coming up out of there. And now I just made a trench, and the thing that I really wished I had thought to do before was, I really wish I had thought to drill these holes around the side before. Because that's really how all the water is getting in there now. And boy, if I had only thought of that before, I could have potentially saved myself all this work. On the other hand, I don't know that it really would flow as quickly. I mean, you can see it's got quite some flow coming down there. So I don't know that there's really any avoiding what I did there. So it's good to know that I've got that, and if there is water on the surface, it's going to be controlled. You can really see it coming in there, and I'm assuming it's making the jump from the French drain up there to there underground just fine. Now, the other area that I haven't been in a while is over here. Now, I was getting some seepage coming out of the French drain there, and I don't know, and then I've got this drain here, so that is unscrewed there, and I was getting water coming from the French drain over there, but it may be that doing what I did on the other side will fix all this, because this French drain really flows all the way around the room. I just don't know how well. Now, this is interesting. I vacuumed up over here before. Now, this could be coming in from the other room across the surface, but it does look like it's still coming up out of the ground. So that would be an argument for proving that just drilling those holes wasn't enough, and I may need to do something similar over here. Now, look at all these spider crickets. So I may need to do a similar channel going over that way, but for now, I'm going to see how this performs. Here, let's head on into the other room in the basement over here. And so what I've got here is there's no French drain around here to capture the water that comes in around this brick. There's a French drain over there and a French drain right there, but nothing to connect the two around this wall. So I don't know if that's really all I need to do. It might be. I don't know. I remember seeing water coming in there in a really bad storm, and you could see that that's not going to get caught by the French drain there. So really, a trench that will capture this water and make sure it gets to that French drain would be good. See, it was coming out here into the room, and there's another spider cricket trap, and this is an area where water actually comes out of the French drain, and there's my other spider cricket trap, and that's where I was saying maybe through here I need to have a line. So maybe what would be ideal is to connect this up to either the little drain with a cap over there, or maybe just do a whole trench straight to the main drain. And that should prevent all of this water from getting there. So this was actually coming out of the French drain before and flowing over this way. So it's since dropped, and I don't know if that's all that I need to do, and maybe it's making its way that way, but I'll have to learn.